Hey guys, this is Manny again. Just as we were wrapping up the class, kind of ended a little early, so we were all sitting around, wanting to know why our encoders weren't, giving us the right signals. So we started to try and troubleshoot this, to get out our output so that we can have a signal that could be controlled, because without a proper encoder signal, then how do you know where you're at? So, the options that we were sitting here coming up with was, let's go to the code, what can we change in the code, but, luckily, Albert was sitting here and, had the idea, well, why don't you try switching the encoder signal? So we switched the encoder signal, and, that turned out to work great. Here is what was the issue, was that this encoder right here, this connection was correct, but as we went down, it gets connected again right here. This connector had been flipped. So its signal was bad, causing it to just want to shoot up to this elevation point. Well, as soon as we flipped it, pressed it again, it worked great. So I wanted to show you guys this, and I made this video to demonstrate the Quansar helicopter working with control, the LQR control, okay? So again, the same program, the project was built, and I've just pressed the run button. So I'm going to get my key on run here. It's the same code, okay? So, but in here we're setting our angles, our pitch angle at -45 degrees and our yaw at 0 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and press run. It'll reach those positions, and then I'll start doing some disturbance on the system. So pressing run. Let's see if we can get it to go up to -20. Okay, so right at -20 degrees, see I just changed it right here from -45. So if I type in -45 and then press enter, we see that it tilts down a little bit. But when I change it to -20, let's see what happens. Pressing enter now. Okay, cool. So it's actually working. It's controlling itself. We can see that lifted up a bit. The fan actually stopped. And yeah, so if I push it, it wants to get itself back. Pretty nifty. Okay, so that was it. See you guys Tuesday.